So let's check the review of POSP 4.0 on MI1 review. Let's skip to the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is Android 11. The POSP version is version 4.0.1 plus 2. And the security PI is of Jan 5. Now let's check the customizations in network and internet. In mobile network, Volt is working fine. As you can see the logo. In advanced, you get Wi-Fi calling. Then in hotspot and tethering, you get USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering and Ethernet tethering. And in apps and notification, you get notification. In this you get bubbles. In advanced, you get default tabs, permission manager, wireless emergency alert and special app access. The main customizations are in the fries. See, in this you get QoS customizations, that is QoS auto brightness, brightness slider, then tiles row on portrait and landscape mode. You also get system and gestures, that is volume button to skip tracks, then double tap to sleep on lock screen, then ambient music tracks, allow client to use VPN, then package signature spoofing, less boring head-up notification. Then you also get themes. In themes, in accent color, see, you can customize any color. See, in RGB, HSL and HSV. Then you get icon shape, system icon pack. Then volume panel, you can choose the Oreo, title, compact or AOSP. Then volume panel location. Then you also get status bar customizations. In status bar you get battery style, then battery percentage, then QoS battery percentage. Then in lock screen customizations, you get lock screen clock, then lock screen media art and lock screen blur level. And in battery saver, you can turn on the battery saver and also schedule it. And in display, you get dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, screen timeout, then double tap to wake. Here you don't get the styles and wallpaper customizations, as the customizations are already in the fry section. Then in sound, you can adjust the volume. Then here you get live caption. Here you get language, high profanity, show sound label, live caption and volume control, etc. In media, you can enable media player in quick setting. And advanced, you get the normal customizations. And here you also get the MI sound enhancer. Here you get headphone type and preset. And in privacy, you get permission manager. Here you can allow permission for certain apps. Then location, you can allow location for certain apps. And in security, you get pattern. But here in pattern you can't choose the 6x6 pattern. See, the only option is 3x3. In this you only get the pattern and fingerprint. There is no option for face unlock. Even in smart lock, as you can see, there is no option. But the fingerprint is pretty fast. Yeah, I'll show you. As you can see, it's pretty fast. Then in system, you get gestures, that is swipe fingerprint for notification and swipe left right to display notification. Then quickly open the camera, activate torch, system navigation. See, in system navigation, you get gesture and 3-button navigation. By 3-button, it enables the nav bar. Then you also get prevent ringing and power menu customizations. In power menu, you get device control and sensitive content. But in this room, you don't get any customization for hardware keys. So these are the customizations of POSP 4.0 ROM. Now let's check the camera API is enabled or not. As you can see, the camera API is enabled. Now let's check the Geekbench score. See, the Single core score is 164 and multi-core score is 957. If you are wondering about the wallpaper, I have made a video on top 5 wallpaper apps of Jan 2021. The link is in description box below. In this room you get the stock camera, but of course you can install the Gcam which I have installed. In this you get the stock launcher with customizations like notification dots, add app icon to home screen, and allow home screen rotation, enable grid option, and enable Google app. And you also get the double tap to off. See, the battery life of the room is pretty good. I got around 5 to 6 hours screen on time. The Volt is working fine, as you can see the logo. Now let's check the calls are working or not. See, 198. The calls are not working.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Let's turn the airplane mode on and again check the calls are working or not. See, now it's working fine. See, now the calls are working fine. So if you face the issue, just turn on the airplane mode and the issue will be solved. The room is pretty smooth. I didn't face any kind of bug. In this room, everything is working fine. See, let's turn on the Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected. The Bluetooth, everything is working fine. In notifications, you get the option of peak notification, direct sound, live caption, etc. The room is pretty smooth. I didn't face any kind of bug in this room. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?